For home use, you can open the reverse cover and put the non-made products directly. This is much more convenient, and the lower layer can also be used for profit. This small thing is attached to the speaker and painting barrel of the mobile phone. It is covered with a very fine dust-proof net, which does not affect the original printing on the mobile phone and can effectively prevent dust particles from entering the mobile phone. The bucket brush is curved, so you can clean the bucket without any dead ends. The ordinary handle can be fully extended to brush every gap. If you stay on a business trip, it will be a cup as soon as you open it. You can use it to drink water and also use it as a mouthwash cup. After use, fold it up and put it in your bag. It doesn't take up much space at all. It's ready for going out during the holidays. This rice washing basin is really easy to use. I used to wash rice like this before and accidentally spilled the rice. It has fine holes and drains water quickly. It washes rice, grains, and fruits.